Shop her Melanin YouTube boutique to grab your niche video day planner notepad. $22 for the physical version, 50 pages. It helps you to stay organized, strategize your YouTube content, as well as optimize and plan your uploads. For the digital copy, it's $11.11. For the physical copy, it's $22. And let's get right into this video. So the item used in this video, I made sure to get white cardstock paper as well as pastel colors, printing paper, gold tissue paper, letterings, some bling bling, some sparkling glitter confetti, some binder clips, scotch tape, some E6000 adhesive, floral decor, some black noir ink, pieces of cardboard, some cushion wrap, which I love, some tissue paper, some wood pieces, some more floral decor with some little bling bling, and I got these really pretty beadings to hang, as well as this rope and a ribbon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my ink is full, so I'm changing out the black ink, and you want to make sure that you take this tab off and pop that right in. And this is the black ink, and to the left is the tricolor ink. You guys, I went to 3 different Walmarts, 2 different Targets, and 2 different Best Buys just to find this ink, y'all. Lord. And now I'm just making sure that I have enough paper, and for my physical copies, I always print 50 pages, so I am making sure that I do so that it's easier for me, so I don't have to go in and count all over. I'm going to make sure that this is out and clean, and we are ready to go. Now we're going to cut to a little bit of the behind the scenes. I had this idea just to create this within 24 hours and launch it, and I created it on Canva, got my items at Target, and now I'm just printing it out and making sure that the cardstock is all straight, because I'm going to be gluing this together to create my notepad for my boo kitties, baby girl. 2021, are y'all ready to plan and organize and strategize your videos? Then I made sure to use these binder clips to hold the notepad together while I applied the adhesive. And now, because I want my notepad to have extra security when I glue it to the wood piece, I want to pretty much create a thin piece of cardboard as regular classic notepads, yellow notepads have, so that I can attach this to the back of the notepad, and then from there attach that to the actual wood piece. And now I'm just filing down these pieces of cardboard to make sure that they're straightened. And babe made sure to bring me a low to go piece of salmon, and I don't want a plate because I wasn't trying to get comfortable at all, just a little snack in and out. So I'm making sure that I take these clips off after the glue has dried. I made sure I waited about, I believe, like 2 hours. I feel like I waited less. I'm honestly not sure. And as you can see, it's a notepad here, and we're just checking. I was afraid that it was gonna rip off easily, so I'm glad that you have to kind of do a little tug, and it's a nice clean tear. And since I took one of the pages off, I'm just gonna apply an extra page so that it's 50 pages. And now I'm going to take this E6000 adhesive. I don't know why I was shaking, y'all. And I'm just going to glue this to the back. And the reason why I'm doing this again is because I just wanted to demonstrate how you would rip off the page. Of course, I know you know how to do this. I wanted to show you guys. And I just want to add an extra page to make sure that it's 50 pages. I also wanted to let you guys know, I made sure to wash my hands. I wiped and sanitized my entire little workstation, and I also ran out of plastic cover-up, so I cut a Target bag open and taped it down, and I kind of just worked on top of that. And now I'm just making sure that this lines up. And you guys, when I say that I felt like I was a big kid, I am a big kid. But this was so much fun to do. So much fun. So excited for you guys to grab your planner notepads. So now I'm just making sure this is on here, and I make sure that I wash my hands. I have Q-tips, but since this is for me, you guys, because I really just wanted to show you guys really quickly because I was hungry, I used a baby wipe. I had a couple of Huggies baby wipes in the corner, making sure this is lined up and everything. And if this was an actual order that I was packaging up and mailing to a customer, I would make sure to have gloves, and I would make sure to have my tools. Now, the time that you guys are watching this video, I'm still awaiting on my tools that I ordered. So this is for me. So that's why I'm like, have my hands all over the pages and blase. So just so you know. So yeah, so now what I'm doing, you guys, something that I am going to do prior, I mean, you learn as you go. Since I glued the back of this little small cardboard piece to the back of the notepad, when I glued it down to the wood piece, it was kind of raising up off the notepad. So next time I'm going to make sure that I glue the pages with the cardboard piece. And now what I'm doing is I just glued down this little leaf, and I was kind of trying to make a little bouquet of flowers, and I'm just attaching it here. And now I'm just grabbing this really pretty magenta floral decor, as well as these soft baby pink roses. And once again, I'm just kind of being a bit sloppy because this actual physical version is for moi. If it was for a customer, I would have my gloves on, etc., etc. Now I'm gonna put a little bling bling on, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure that we sparkle. And once again, if this was for a customer, I would have my Q-tips and make sure that, actually my wood pick or my Q-tips, and make sure that I am applying it dot by dot, but I ain't got time for that. So I'm just going through and just applying it one by one, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch from here. I don't know why I kept bumping into my ring light. And here I am just applying some sparkle textured glitter tape, just to kind of add some pizzazz to the border. And you can really get just to add some pizzazz to the border. And you guys, I really love this because anytime that I am uploading my videos, I make sure that I use my notepad. I am someone who is a huge advocate for writing things down. Anytime that I write things down, I am able to see results, and I want you to do the same with your YouTube channel. So make sure that you shop her Melanin YouTube boutique and grab your niche video day planner notepad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.